So now we'll take a look at how we can remove background noise inside of Camtasia. So over here you can see that I already have a recorded footage and it has a background fan noise. So let's hear it out how it sounds like when I play the clip. Hello there. So you can see that the noise clip is here in beginning. So usually if you have a noisy background, it's the best way to start recording is to record a bit of noises like this, and then what you do is you start speaking later on so that just the noise is there as the audio recording over here. So what you can do now to remove the noise is to go into audio effects, and over here inside of audio effects you can find noise removal. So it is an effect that you can apply onto the clip. So simply click and drag it onto the clip and that will be applied right here. Now if you were to play it, it will sound much better. You can see that the noise has been removed out. Hello there everyone. So the noise has been cancelled out just like that, as you can see. But in order to make it even more better, what you can do is you can select this audio range just like this, and we know that this is the noise range, and you can just hit on analyze right over here. So once you hit analyze, you got two settings right here. So you got sensitivity and amount. So the sensitivity is the sensitivity to the noise that is there. So if I were to go around and decrease the sensitivity right here, the noise is still there. But if I were to go over here and type in something like 0, you can see that that is sensitivity level for this one. If you have a noise that is much more louder than this for some reason, then you can increase out the sensitivity and it will cancel that out. Hello there. But what happens as a result is that it'll affect your voice. So it's very important to not increase this too much. Usually the sweet spot that I have is not too much, that is around 6, even if you have different noises right over here. Another thing that you can do is you can increase the amount of the noise reduction. So right now the amount of noise reduction is 20, just like that. Hello. So it is almost silent. But if the noise is still audible, then you can increase this out even more and it'll be more silent. Hello there everyone and welcome to the tutorial. And you can see that it really reduces out the noise just like that. So usually you don't go all the way up over here, but find that sweet spot where the voice doesn't start sounding robotic. So that is how you can use the audio noise removal effect to reduce noise inside of Camtasia projects. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.